Hello everyone. So today's topic is sensitization towards social evils. Here we are going to study about what are social evils, what are their causes and how it can be solved. Social evils in India. Social evils or social issues refers to any undesirable condition that is opposed either by the whole society or by a section of the society. It is an unwanted social condition, often objectionable and which is harmful for the society. India is facing a large number of social issues such as caste system, child labor, illiteracy, gender inequality, superstitions, religious conflict, and many more. It is a high time the society gets relief from these undesirable social evils. There are major social issues in India like the caste system, poverty, child labor, child marriage, illiteracy. So here first, that is the most prevalent in the social evils in India are child marriage, gender inequality, caste system, dowry system, and many more. So we are going to start with the child marriage. What is child marriage? Child marriage refers to the marriage of individuals below the prescribed limit of age. Marriage is to be considered legal as per the Indian law when the groom's age is 21 and above, the bride's age is 18 and above. Though child marriage has caused problems to both boys and girls, the most severe victim of the evil practice are the girls. Now, what are the causes? Right? The causes or the main reason behind the child marriage is the poor economic condition of the family of the marriage parties. Besides, there are other reasons also for the child marriage like illiteracy, providing security to their daughters by marrying them to a secured person, child trafficking, etc. So, what are the negative effects of child marriage? The negative effects, like due to child marriage, the girls became pregnant at an early age. Since their bodies are not properly developed to have kids, it may lead to early maternal death. In many of the cases, the infant baby's health doesn't seem good. Child marriage also leads to illiteracy and poverty. A girl who is married at an early age deprived of opportunities for education and personal growth due to less understanding relationship between couples hampers. Right, so what can be the solution for this removal of child marriage or the eradication of such practices is education. Right, education is the only and the best way to stop child marriage. Educated people from society should raise voice against child marriage. Okay, so the next comes the caste system. Caste system. Caste system is basically a system of defining class or assigning status to individuals from the time of birth. In India, the caste system is mainly profession based. India has been a victim of caste since ages. The main reason behind the growth of caste system in India is the assignment of caste based on job specialization. There were different types of jobs in the society which were done by the people based on their capability. This division of job based on specialization resulted into the caste system. There was 4 classes of caste system like the Brahmins, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas and Shudras. The Brahmins were basically the priest class. They mainly engaged in religious activities. They were also appointed as advisors to the kings. And the Kshatriyas, the warriors and the ruler class, they were mainly engaged in warfare activities. And the Vaishyas were the traders. They were mainly engaged in businesses, agriculture and trading activities. And the Shudras, the lowest of the 4 traditional class, engaged as domestic servants and laborers. So what was the negative effect of caste system? It has many disadvantages such as it encourages untouchability, it promotes inequality, in democratic in nature, fake differentiation in superiority and inferiority, increases gap between upper and lower caste people. Caste system is also a danger towards the national integration of the country. So the solution, it can be, we can say, the education will help the people to become aware of the disadvantages of the caste system. There is a need for widespread social change in favor of equality of human beings. Caste system can be discouraged through social education in rural areas. And there should be special classes at schools that imparts values and moral education to the children. Superstitious people are extremely fearful and discourage any change in social norms, and education will help shed away superstitions, which in turn will help shed caste system as well. With better education and economic progress, people belonging to diverse castes get opportunity to mix and work together. Many of them become friends while working together on a project. So these are the solutions that can be followed and that should be practiced in a society in India, which will help in the eradication of the caste system. Next comes the gender inequality. What is gender inequality? Gender inequality acknowledges that men and women are not equal, okay, and that gender affects an individual's living experiences. Basically, inequality, what is inequality? Inequality refers to any type of discrimination in working environment or any other environment on the basis of caste, gender, race, color, etc. Gender inequality means discrimination or unequal treatment between male and female. Okay, these differences arise from distinctions in biology, psychology, and culture norms. Some of these types of distinctions are empirically grounded, while others appears to be socially constructed. The main reason behind the issue of gender inequality is the mindset and the culture, the ego of male members, the patriarchy that prevents the female members to enjoy equal rights, equal position at any place, at their workplace, at their job, at their home, in their society where they live. Okay, the unawareness among the people. Now, what is the impact and effect of this gender inequality? The main impact of gender inequality is that society gets shrink and deprive of the minds of the female workers. It also gives rise to low status of women issue in the society. Now, what can be the solution? The solution for social issues of gender equality in the hands of the people themselves. People should start training and impart proper education for gender equality. People should also change their perception, right? They need to change their mindset. Okay, so these are some solutions and the causes that can be imparted and can be used. Now, the next is the dowry system. What is dowry system? Dowry is one of the most evil practices that are prevalent in the Indian society. Dowry system is actually the transfer of money, property, and other valuable assets of bride's family to the groom's family on the eve of marriage. Reasons, what are the reasons of prevailing dowry system in the society? Like traditions of asking for dowry at the time of marriage, the greed among the family of groom for quick and easy money. People also ask for dowry for maintaining status. Okay, so these some are the reasons that help. There are the reasons for prevailing dowry system in the society. Okay, now what are the disadvantages? What are the causes? What are the disadvantages of dowry system? The major disadvantages of dowry system in the society is the bride's family, who generally belong to middle and low class, has to face the bitter side of it. Bride's family spend lavishly during the marriage. Because of the social evil, some families lost huge money. Parents often take loan for their daughter's marriage. In many cases, while watching the poor situation of their parents, bride becomes mentally affected. Sometimes, the mental torture due to dowry leads to suicidal tendencies. Many causes of dowry deaths have been seen in past years. Emotional torture and divorce are other evils effect of dowry system. And what can be the solution? The solution to stop the practices of this evil system is in our hands. People should stop discrimination between a boy and a girl. This is the utmost solution that should be the parents who discriminate between boy and girl should be stopped. Then secondly is the girls should also be allowed to have their education proper knowledge. Awareness must be created, and for these people with the help of media. And we see most of the parents are not aware of the situations that are the situations that are the part of a society and that are prevailing in a society. So the disadvantages should be told to the parents, and how the dowry if they follow the dowry system, then how it can be solved. So awareness can be created with the help of the media, the print media, electronic media. Last but not the least, parents should change the thoughts of dowry from their mind, and children should stand against their families for doing this. The girls who are forced to give dowry for their marriage, they should take a stand against the system. If girls take a stand this system, then I think it can be eradicated from the society. And girls education is really important. If girls want to stand against this system, they need to get educated. They get to net education. They need to be aware of the disadvantages, the causes of these dowry system. So there are many other social evils that are the part of our society. So some we have discussed here. We have so as a part of a society, as a responsible citizen of our country, we need to work on this and be a responsible citizen, and should help in the eradication of these social evils. So thank you.